Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Crazy Marcus here with another video. So, just been in the local Chinese shop with Scooter Sue here in town. If you haven't heard of the BB craze, like big craze going around the world, Sue's just got herself one. Hopefully you can see that because me screens sort of flip round. I stitch the baby. Let's see what she gets. She's never had a baby because they are quite expensive, I believe, as well. So I imagine that's something to like hang it off. Only like a little thing. Like a more expensive Kinder Egg toy, really, ain't they? They are. They are like them, like little Kinder Egg toy things you used to get, like. I'm going back years ago now, but they were like little tiny sort of dogs, like same material the babies are. Like, but yeah, you had the box binned or kept or what? Yeah, I binned the box, so I'm a bit late to the party. There's a new bar opened up here in Benidorm, but we're actually not too far from, so I'll let Sue sort out the baby. Go on, Sue, you could do it. So the new bar is apparently part of Sinatra's group, is it? A touch of class group. I think it's like a bar, a restaurant. I don't know if someone's kicking off or what. Someone just shouting. Leave it till you get home, So. Yeah, I think she's decided that's the best idea. So the new bar is literally just up this way, up on Chicken Bridge. Alright guys. Hang on, I've got a present for you. I've got a little present for you. A Benidorm Crazy Marcus keyring. You're welcome, mate.
Right, Marcus.
Have a great holiday, you too. Now I've got a zip it in my pocket again. Yeah. Oh. So, yeah. 3 key rings have been given out now. Gave one to a good friend of ours, Claire. We've also given one to Cafe Leroy's because they're our mates who worked at the town. I've also got one because I got to rep the merch, and I've just given some to our fans. So you come past Granny's Bakery and past Bar Al Puente, supposedly a competitor with Mariano's, over what I call Chicken Bridge. Of course you got the pet shop down there with the parrot out, if you can see him. Probably not, but he is out. And yeah, you'd think they'd have learnt after it's flew away. I think there's 2 birds on there. I don't know. I think there's like a cockatoo on there and a parrot. I don't know. But he has flew away once. He ended up from there, sat down there. Anyway, Susan, hang up. You owe me an apology.
Oh, it isn't exactly.
Hang on. So,
I'm
apologise.
sorry.
So, the apology is because Sue thought this new place was somewhere that I said it wasn't. Sue said it was where the old fairground was, which is right here.
There is something going on there.
Yeah, there is something going on there. I don't really know what, but there's something. Although something. Probably coming next year, because I mean, most stuff in Benidorm ends up taking mega long to be done.
Go on, you go in front.
And now I'm panicking because I don't even think this bar is actually a part of the Sinatra's group. I don't know. So this is a new bar. I don't know what it's called. I will have a look. I was told it's a new Sinatra's. Whether it... Yeah, it's a Sinatra's. It is a Sinatra's, guys. Whether it has anything to do with, of course, the wink on Sinatra's. Yeah, I said it is. I said it is, so don't worry. Whether it's got anything to do with, like, the wink on Sinatra's, the touch of glass group, no idea. But anyhow, yeah. That is by Hotel Agrasol, like literally across the road. Hotel Agrasol there, then pretty much brand new Sinatra's there. Hang on. Remembering what it once was, it of course once was a Spanish bar, which, yeah, expensive. I think the only time we ever went in that place were because Dad needed a wee, and pretty much paid like about $2.50 just to use the bog, because I wanted you to buy a drink. Of course, you got Hotel Primavera in Prince Park up that hill there, as well as Town Hall. And just further down the road, a few more beautiful hotels. You got RH Hotel Royal, which it's quite a nice hotel. And the Benidorm Plaza, the hotel with the clock, wherever it is, up there somewhere on the wall, which I will just say, I wouldn't rely on the clock. And of course, the RH Hotel Victoria. Now you do have a lot of the RH group hotels round here, with of course, I think the RH Hotel Prince Park up there, up in that direction, like sort of right across the road from where we live. So anyone staying there, feel free to give us a wave. And of course, RH Hotel Princessa, which I've been told is a very beautiful hotel. They do a lot for the kids as well. It's literally just there. RH Princessa. And there's Hotel Victoria. Now, try to see how long I've done ages, so think to finish off, I'll lead down onto Cara to finish up, show you some nice little places down here. If I can cross over. So starting off, you got the Crown British pub, British food, Mondays at the Crown. Makes a change to normal Mondays. So just around this hill you have a few British bars, a few nice little bars, not pretty quiet if you're just wanting like a bit of a break away from the chaos, shall we say. I've of course also passed the Benidorm logo on the wall there, if you can see it. I really can't tell if you can see that because my screen's lit round so like it is all the different angles, so I don't know what I'm filming, so bear with me guys. Then of course further down you got this little supermarket. Now before I get there, I will give some advice. Be careful with these mini supermarkets. A lot of them will not put prices on any of the products whatsoever. So you may end up paying up $4.50 for a simple can of Coke or something. And they won't really care because they probably just say that nothing you can do about it. Other thing as well is they will try to shortchange you if they realise A, you're British, or B, you're drunk. Plus, a lot of them do tend to work a bit dodgy, like they will sell booze to you after, I think it's like 10, which is not allowed in Spain, and they will sell like cigarettes and fags and e-cigs and all that, which of course apparently isn't allowed unless they have a tobacco licence. Anyway, that round. There's Go Bananas, a nice little bar, well worth a pop in and try. Kebab shop as well, as if Benidorm needs another kebab shop. And of course the castle. Alright guys, now the castle is a great place, haven't been in for a while, but if you can see that the menu there, small breakfast for a £5 large, €7, or a Scottish or an ultra fry, £7.50. Or a veggie for €7, of course you can add all extra items at €1. So some pretty good food. British bakery, you can get yourself a Cornish pasty for €4, or a steak pie at €4. Oh, I love a steak pie, yum yum yum. Anyhow, I'm gonna love and leave you. Make sure to smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Adios.